video. So today I am doing a tutorial on this eye look. I won't be including my base in it because I do the same base every video. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this green little number, keep watching. So I have already done my eyebrows and set my base. I've used for my eyebrows a combination of the MAC's Deep Dark Brunette Fluidline Brow Gel. I've also filled in the front part with this NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil shade Taupe, just for the front bit so it's faded out nicely. I've been using this usually on my brows like every day anyway. It's quite a nice light shade, just for filling in between, get my brows tinted for a more natural finish. But today I'm going to be doing quite like a bold look, so I need to have a bit of a bolder brow so I don't lose my eyebrows. I've also popped on some of MAC Cosmetics clear brow gel just to fluff them up a little bit as well. And then for my base, I've used the Louise base that I always use, and I've patted it in with a Real Technique sponge just because I know she says to pat with the brush, but it's just that takes such a long time and the sponge is just quicker. So I use that. So I'm going to be using the Stacey Marie palette, which I use for most of my looks. I love this palette. It's the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival palette. This has got like all the shades I need. First off, because I'm going to do a bit of, I think I'm going to do a cut crease. I think I'll go for a cut crease. So first shade that I'm going to be using is this mint shade. That with a fluffy brush into the crease, or just above the crease. So yeah, I'm keeping that just above the crease and then winging it out. The reason I'm winging it out is because we want to create the shape where we're going to do the cut crease. It's just going to provide us, it just means there's less tidy up at the end, really. I'm just going to grab a clean brush, clean fluffy brush, and just blend out the edges. I've had this brush for a while, look at that. This one's a newer one. So next we just want to deepen that out. So I'm going to go in with a slightly small brush. Where is it? So this one. And then in with this shade here, which is Envy. Next I'm going to be going in with Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow. And a small brush again, this little guy. It's just got a stained tip. I'm just going right into that crease. I'm just going to blend it out with the slightly bigger brush. Now I'm going to cut the crease with the Louise base again and a flat brush. Just here, just going to use a simple face wipe just to clean up where it's just winged out. I feel like I struggled for the longest time getting that wing. Not today, just in general, like whenever I've tried it in the past, like there was a time where I just felt like I was having a mental block when it came to doing that kind of wing out. Like it just didn't look tidy enough for me when I was using my brush, but I think I might have figured it out now, which, yay. The Mermaze Pigment from Peaches and Cream. It is the prettiest colour. So this is what it looks like, Mermaze. I'm going to pop that on all over my lids. So to put it on, I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. be going in with the Illamasqua Precision Gel Liner in the shade Black and a little eyeliner brush. Brow bone and the inner corners of my eye, I'm using the MAC Pigment in the shade Vanilla. So I'm just gonna pop that on with just a little pencil brush, and I'm just gonna really pack that onto my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush I used before that had no product on it and just blend that off. So you've got that really blinding highlight. And then I'm just going to pop on some mascara on my top lashes. This is the Rimmel 100% waterproof mascara. I don't do my bottom lashes until I've done the rest of my face, because I also, you know, blend out my lower lash line as well. So I'm just going to go off camera now, finish the rest of my, finish my base, and then I'm going to come back on to finish my eye look. So I'm back, I've done my base, it's just the usual base that I usually do, nothing new, so I didn't see the point in including it. So yeah, let's carry on with the eyes. I'm going to be using a pair of Creamer Lash lashes. I think these are the 805s, I probably am wrong, but yeah, I just really like them because they're nice and flicky on the outer corners. So I'm going to be using that with some Duo Glow. So, I'm sorry if you can hear a police siren or anything. I live right near the city centre and it's like a super busy road that I live on. Yeah, so while we are waiting for the lashes to go sticky, we are going to do the under eye. I'm going to be using one of these little shader brushes from MAC, and I'm going to be going in with the darker shade. That was the shade Envy, and just running it underneath my lash line. And then with a little pencil brush, another little pencil brush, we're going to be going in with that mint shade, and we're going to just be blending that downwards. I feel like today one eye has been like way more pigmented than the other. I mean, look at that. I think I'm being just like heavier handed when I go to do my second eye. So I'm just like, oh, I've just done it once, it's fine, let's just whack a load on. We all know what we're doing here. So now I'm just going to pop on some mascara on those bottom lashes. One lash is a bit more of an arse to put on than the other, isn't there? Now we're going to go back in with the Illamasqua liner and go over that lash band just to disguise it. Now this is the question. Both Fenty products, do we go nude and glossy, black and matte? Nude and glossy, black and matte. Let's go black. Why not? Haven't worn a black lip in a while, So why not? God, look at the applicator. Love it. So I'm just going to tidy up this corner here where I smudged it. Much better. So now I'm just going to go in with powder. I'll just use my Studio, oh god, what is this called? Oh, Studio Fix Powder. NW15, because that's just what I've got to hand. Set that on there. Oh, why am I like this? Oh, for Christ's sake. Right. More concealer time, shall we? You know what? I'm not even gonna use the brush, I'm just gonna go in with the sponge for this bad boy. I still have tried to, I don't even wipe it off. Oh, there we go. So instead of the pad thingy, I'm just gonna go in. Which is what I should have done originally, but I was lazy. So that's what I get, isn't it? That's what I get for being lazy. And there we go, the finished look. I haven't actually dyed my hair. Well, I was going to say in a week then, that's not very long, is it? But yellow hair fades out so fast. I dyed my hair and I've washed it twice and it's still quite yellow because I've been putting the dye that I use in with my conditioner. So it's actually worked really well because usually it's faded by now. Like it's still like quite a bright yellow, but it's not a vibrant yellow, and I still feel like it's quite vibrant. That's my finished look. If you enjoyed this look, if you have any suggestions on what kind of look you want me to do next, then leave a message, let me know, and I'll do it. I'm gonna be doing a video on eyeliner, I think, because my sister-in-law has asked me to. So I will do that because I always tend to fast forward for eyeliner. But I'll do like a totally slowed down version of eyeliner if that's what, if that will be helpful. But yeah, there we go.